Aquashield is a economical, effective and eco-friendly product. Why I say it is economical? Because you don't have to break any surface if it is a river, and you can use it as an integral and impregnate if you are going for a project. I don't recommend integral waterproofing by using Aquashield unless it is the negative pressure of water coming out from the earth or there is a jacketed structure. And then as an impregnate, it works on almost all the surface where cement is present. So it is effective because we can give very good guarantee depending on the strength of the holding material. And then I call it eco-friendly because we don't demolish anything. We are not generating any debris either in the form of cutting, breaking or removing the existing surface. So this will give you 3 E's, which is essential in present day scenario. Aquashield will save the cost when compared to other procedure, both directly and indirectly. For example, if you have to waterproof a restroom or a toilet, as generally called, there are procedures which are being followed by going to 5 layers, 7 layers, or different multiple layers of courses of waterproofing done, and that is covered with a protective coating. Whereas when you use Aquashield, it is only one impregnation and there is no need for protective coating on it. Whereas conventionally you cannot have any traffic or even human movement on the surface which is waterproof. Whereas when you apply Aquashield, you can even run a truck over it. So that is the strength of product. With this backdrop, for example, if you take the waterproofing of an existing toilet, it will cost not less than 10,000 rupees to waterproof a small toilet which is in a poor manner where only cement masonry is done. Whereas if you do use our Aquashield, with 7,500 you can do the waterproofing without damaging the old one. I'm always talking about not damaging the old one because as the age of the structure goes, when we subject it to weathering action like drilling, removing, hammering, replacing the existing one, we are not only damaging the existing the repairing surface, we will be damaging the neighboring area also because of the weathering action of the structure, which is very much essential to be considered for the old buildings, as the weathering will loosen the surface of mortar, and to some extent even the weathering will affect the reinforcement of the structure, which service leading to the crack and seepages. There are many of instances where the leakages have started happening in the areas which was not leaking after going through the conventional process. That is because of this kind of operations that is deliberately done. Even grouting is not appreciated because the grouting will only exert the pressure on the surface and further weaken the surface. Whereas our Aquashield will work by using water as a carrier, travel the entire surface and make it impervious. The permeability of the surface by using Aquashield is around 15%. So 85% it is impervious only. That 15% is accommodated to keep the plaster and surface from becoming arid, so that the plaster doesn't powder off and start falling because of the dehydration of surface. So in all the sense, the Aquashield is very economical, effective and eco-friendly, and it can be used universally. Thank you.